discuss IUPAC nomenclature of biphenyls. So let us first see what are biphenyls. Biphenyl is an organic compound where two phenyl rings are joined by a single bond. Substituted biphenyls are important agrochemicals. Some of these compounds have found to have medicinal values, and these compounds have interesting stereochemistry. In this video, we'll see how to name these compounds. For IUPAC nomenclature of substituted biphenyls, numbering starts from the carbon atom joining the two rings. As you can see, these are the two carbons joined by a single bond. So numbering will start from these two carbons. So I can write 1 and 1 dash. Of course, we can write it in other way, means for this carbon I can write 1 dash, and for this carbon I can write 1. Now in one ring we number carbon as 1 2 3, and in other ring we use number 1 dash 2 dash 3 dash as shown here. Remember, only 1 and 1 dash are fixed in each ring. We can number either in clockwise direction in each ring, or we can write in anti-clockwise direction in each ring. Means what? We can give two number to this carbon or this carbon, and numbering will go like that. In this case also we can number this as 2 dash or this as 2 dash. Okay. And the last rule, but most important rule, while numbering you should see that substituent get minimum possible number. So let's start with actual examples. We'll try naming this compound. As you can see, in this compound there is substituent only in one ring. So as per rule, numbering will start from carbon which is joined to other phenyl ring. So I will number this carbon as 1. Now substituent should get minimum possible number. So in this case this NO2 is our substituent, that is nitro group, and it should get minimum number. So I will number this carbon as 2, 3 and so on. Now this nitro group is to be written as prefix with its number. So I will write 2 nitro followed by parent name of this compound, means biphenyl. So now let's try second example. In this case, substituents are present in both rings. So we have to number both rings. According to first rule, numbering will start from carbons joining two rings. So I will give this carbon number 1 and this as 1 dash. Now substituent should get minimum possible number. So in both rings I have to number. In this case substituent is sulfonic acid, SO3H. So in this ring I will give numbering in this way, and in this ring I will number carbon in this way. Okay. Now remember, groups like SO3H, COOH we write at the end after parent name. So in this case the name will be first parent name biphenyl followed by these groups along with its number. So 2, 2 dash disulfonic acid. So let's solve this last example. In this case, you will directly fix number 1 and 1 dash. In right ring, you will easily give number like this, so that substituent should get minimum possible number. In left ring, NO2 and COH are placed symmetrically, so you can give number 2 to this or to this carbon. But in case of NO2 and COH, priority will go to carboxylic acid. So correct numbering in left ring is like this. Okay. So now we can write name of this compound. Methyl comes first, so 2-methyl, 3-6 dinitro biphenyl 2 dash carboxylic acid.